Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to write text on videos in CapCut. Here are the steps to write text on a video in CapCut using Android. First is to unlock your mobile phone and open the CapCut app. Tap the new project on the home screen. Select the video you want to edit. Then tap Add. Once your video is in the timeline, play it and tap Pause to pause where you want to add text. Tap the text option on the bottom toolbar. Tap Add Text to start typing your message. Type your desired words, captions, or quotes in the text box. Now, customize the font by tapping Style, then choose your preferred color and size. To make it stand out, tap Effects and pick an animation or glowing text effect, then tap the check mark. Drag the text layer in the timeline to adjust when and how long it appears. Use two fingers to resize or move the text on the video preview screen. Tap Animation, In, Out, or Loop to make your text fade, slide, or bounce. Adjust the opacity of shadow under the Style tab for better visibility. When finished, tap the export icon at the top right to save or share your video with text included. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.